Pierre, you wanna come out here?
Shooting at it out, cause I run that block. Give me top, and my drop top. I did.
What's up with that, dude? We're doing a cooking challenge. A challenge, nigga? Man said a challenge.
That is not correct.
We gonna cook something, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna do a little cooking today. I'm a little low, cause it's kinda early in the morning, people still sleeping. We finna just go ahead and get into it anyways, cause they gonna wake up when they wake up anyway. I don't care.
Wait till you see the. No, 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 no.
Go ahead and get to the cooking. Ice her up. Finna make some chicken.
My nigga.
Finna go ahead and. That's it. Oh, shit.
Bop.
You gotta get all your stuff. You need your flour, vegetable oil, pan or something you wanna use. I'm just gonna use this one. Last but not least, your chicken. And now let's get into the cooking phase. Let's get it. Okay. Don't mind the back door. Just spray them a little bit more light in, make it more.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
We just got done chopping them up, you know. Now in total, we have 14 all together. It was 7, split them, double that, it's 14. And just pour a little bit in here. You ain't gotta put that much. About that much. After you got that set, what you wanna do is start tossing a few up in there. Just kind of like grapple. Nothing like
down. Hell,
now that we at the stove, you know, go ahead and light her up. Put it to about a good halfway. Ain't gonna be hot, just halfway. Put your frying pan or your pot, whatever you want, whatever you prefer, put it on there. And then go get your oil. Your chicken that you seasoned and then flour it up. The moments I've been waiting for, now it's time to go ahead and put them in. Y'all also want to go get y'all a utensil that you can grab with. Go ahead and pick some of them up in here. Give them more space to cook. Fry. What I do is I rotate them every like little 5 minutes. So I let the bottom side cook, and then I flip them for drumsticks. I just rotate it to where the pieces that's sticking out can get cooked, you know, at the bottom. So, yeah. Take these bad boys out, put them in here, and then we're on to the next step. Now we got our hot sauce. You could get like buffalo sauce from the store, and then just like bathe it in there. But we using old-fashioned like Louisiana hot sauce, you know what I'm saying? Louisiana purr, you know what I'm saying? That crystal. Not that crystal never been brought up. That crystal, you know what I'm saying?
No cap. On God, no cap, on God. No cap.
And then you just want just spray that bit, you know what I'm saying? Go crazy.
oh, say less.
Ooh, wee. Now you want to get you some type of butter or some Pam, some baking spray, because now we're going to put it in the oven. Go ahead and spray whatever type of surface you're putting it on. You want to make sure you spray it real good. Don't OD spray it, but spray it good. want to make sure that it doesn't stick. You know, you don't want to be eating aluminum foil, so make sure it doesn't stick to the aluminum foil. Now we gotta turn our oven on. I say put it on 375, and then when it start, it's gonna start the, preheat. Preheat's only a couple minutes, so set you a 30-minute timer and just start placing them. You want to spread them evenly. Don't put them too close to each other. You don't want them touching. If your pan not big enough, then kind of like work with what you got.
There's nothing wrong with it. Simple. He's speaking fact.
Break 50 likes and I'll chug a half a bottle of hot sauce.
What?
No cap. Ah, shit, y'all might actually do something like that just because y'all want to see me do it. Goddamn. Black people. Got them things ready. Look at them right there. Look at them. Look at them. Brother, they were just like my skin tone. Now they orange. The waiting process has begun. Hi YouTube, man, look. We got them things in there. I don't know if y'all can see them. They look done. So I turned the oven off. Now it shows the clock. It's 12:50. We started this at like 8 o'clock, so it's been a while, okay? It's been a while. But yeah, the oven is off. Now I'm just waiting for them to kind of like settle and cool down. They got like hot sauce bubbles building around it, so when them bubbles all ease down and cool, I'm gonna be able to eat them. But until then, it's 12:50 right now. Probably don't be done until like 1:20. So it takes time, my guy. It takes time. All right, y'all.
Bye.